I'm Derek Herrin, work for Oreck. We're headquarters in Nashville, Tennessee. We are a manufacturing company and we manufacture Oreck vacuum cleaners and air purifiers. We used to be on the EEI package, and we brought in the EBI package to expand to a business integrators package as opposed to just a simple EDI integrator. Reason for that is we have a lot of one-off processes that we use our web services group to be a middleman between our ERP system and through other services like credit card validation, address validation, tax engines. Currently right now we bundle that and transfer it over to our web services group. They process it on our behalf, take the response back, rebundle it, and move it back over to our ERP system. So one of the reasons bringing EBI in is to eliminate us having to handshake data back and forth internally to go to outside resources. So we're looking at, the reason we brought EBI on is to do that in-house with a direct link back to the database and one central point for logging and failure. One of the issues we had with the multiple handoffs between systems, if we had any type of failure, it was a chase between all of the systems to find out what the failure was. I believe with the EBI, since it has a central traffic cop in essence, we have that to look at and find out who in the handshaking process dropped the ball. One of the issues we have, if something happens or web services fails, we have a hard time quickly discerning what system wasn't acting properly. Was it internal or was it external? And right now with our internal systems, you know, we get to the point where everybody's pointing fingers going, well, it can't be mine, it's got to be yours. And it takes 3 groups to go sit down and figure out together what's really going on. So if we pass everything through EBI, then it's kind of the traffic cop, and we can look and see through the business process what failed, and so that we can isolate down which area we need to look at. Because a lot of times we spend a lot of time spinning our wheels in areas that aren't broke to find the area that is broken. So. Internally with our group that has experience with EXTOL says we have faith in EXTOL to come up with a solution that will work, and we have confidence that EXTOL can do that. So biggest issue plus that I have with EXTOL is their support at all levels and knowing that faith that they'll get the job done. So that's our biggest plus with EXTOL and why I enjoy working with them. So.